Today we're diving into the Asian Pilates app, which claims to bring the studio experience right to your fingertips. But does it deliver on that promise? Let's find out if it's truly the best Pilates app out there. The Asian Pilates app is designed to cater to both beginners and experienced practitioners. It offers a wide range of classes from beginner-friendly sessions to more advanced workouts. The user interface is clean and easy to navigate, which is a big plus for those just starting their Pilates journey. One standout feature is the variety of instructors, each bringing their unique style and approach to Pilates. This diversity can help keep your workouts fresh and engaging. Additionally, the app provides detailed video demonstrations, which are crucial for ensuring you're performing the movements correctly. However, there are areas that feel a bit unclear. For instance, while the app boasts a plethora of classes, it doesn't always specify the duration or intensity level up front, which could be frustrating for users looking to fit in a quick workout. Overall, the experience is generally positive, but a bit more clarity on class details would enhance usability. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, the Asian Pilates app offers a diverse range of classes and instructors, making it suitable for various fitness levels. The user-friendly interface is also a significant advantage, especially for beginners. However, there are some downsides. The lack of upfront details on class duration and intensity can be a bit annoying. Additionally, some users have reported technical issues, like app crashes during workouts, which can be frustrating when you're trying to stay in the zone. Finally, the subscription pricing might not be the most budget-friendly option for everyone, especially if you're just starting out and unsure of your commitment to Pilates. In conclusion, the Asian Pilates app is a solid choice for those looking to incorporate Pilates into their routine, especially with its diverse class offerings. However, if you're on a tight budget or prefer more detailed class descriptions, you might want to explore other options. Overall, it's worth trying, but manage your expectations regarding reliability and pricing.